Good afternoon, theme park junkie fans. We are here at Tampa Bay Busch Gardens to do a few updates. One, we're going to do the Tigris update. And two, we're going to check in and see if there's anything going on with Gwazi. And, well, three, we already started. We got our free beer. So, we're going to head on over to the Tigris area, because we're already in the park, and see how that's coming along. Let's head on over there now and check it out. So right before we head on over to do that update, don't forget, guys, if you like what we do here, please smash that subscribe button. We need some subscribers. That would greatly be appreciated. And
actually, you know,
like
we're almost
button.
halfway there.
Yeah, we are doing very well. We pick up about 25 to 30 subscribers per month. And we just need a little bit more. So if you like what we do, don't forget, smash the subscribe. Share with your friends. All right, let's head on over to the update.
I hope everybody is having a great day right here at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay, as we celebrate things. I'm completely useless outside.
Próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. próspero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
Well, this is the work walls, guys, right here. So this extends all the way down. They're not currently doing any construction right now, and the crane that was over here is actually over at Tigris putting in parts.
Is it that time? What are you so scared
Alright guys, well we did the Gwazi update, and well, there's no construction as of yet and no work happening, nothing really on scene, but I think I've covered every angle of the coaster, so that's a good sign, because that means when they do construction we'll be able to see a lot of what's happening. Alright, heading over to Tigris. Alright guys, well right away you can see they have some of these structures up already, and I'm not even all that close yet. Definitely got a lot of pieces. Alright guys, well, we did the Tigris update and we did the Gwazi RMC update. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed our video. Hope you enjoyed the updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Now, if you remember, a little while ago, I was able to get really good footage of Gwazi, so that means when they start doing the RMC, it means we're going to get really good shots of that too. And they're probably going to open up Gwazi Field shortly for the for the concert, so we'll be able to get even better shots. And Tigris here is going up rather quickly, so we'll actually start to see structures rising above these walls here. So like I said, if you really like what we do, please subscribe to the channel. Oh, Sheeper just dropped. Hey guys, until next time. Right? Until next time, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll see you at a theme park. Bye.